Hey guys, welcome to Art by Kadim. Guys, remember to like this video, comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Without your subscription, guys, I won't be able to move any further. It won't be possible without you guys. So remember to like up this video. So guys, in this video that I'm about to share with you, I'll be showcasing a drawing of Kokushibo of the Upper Moon, one demon clan of Muzan Kibu and I'll be showing you how I would draw him and also the coloring. So hope you like this video. Let's just get straight into this video. See you in a few. Guys, remember to like up this video. Just leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Sorry about the music in the background, but yeah, as I said, remember to like up this video, subscribe, and share. And also let me know your comments, what you think. Hey guys, seeing that you reached thus far in this video, could you let me know and share what you think of this video? Remember to like up this video and subscribe, and until then, see you on the next video. Bye bye.